Achilles. Now, welcome your hosts. Did you know, for example... Eat it. John. Jungle.
You, because you throw the good party. Parties, I don't know if Johnny remembers, but he tried to pay me at the end of the night. Start minding my own business, getting the food, because you just said, you know, take the food. So the waiters and I was just having a chat, taking some food, and you came up and tried to tip me.
Had you... display... Good choice.
Oh. Another vowel.
A. C.
Another two consonants.
G. R. N.
Another consonant. And another vowel, please.
K. And I.
No. I've got a 5 that you...
John? Offer us.
An ass,
It's
as
an
in
a-
a
it's an a-
donkey.
Little.
Right, these four littles are 5, 10,
10's big enough, isn't it?
9, 4, then 25 and 75.
Hello.
And your target, 801.
You can tell
I
us
mean,
his...
times by 9. Sorry, no. And,
You got 425 as far as I can
all right.
see.
Right, plus 5 equals 1. Plus 5 equals 1. Then, it's 750. Plus, and then plus the 36.
I'm not following this, but I think he's got it.
He's got it!
Got it.
OK, so...
75 plus 5 for 80 times 10. Yeah. One away. You could have said 7 plus 25, I'm ready to be burnt. 100. 10 plus 5 minus 4 is 11. Take it away for 89 and times it by 9.
Oh. 9 times 89.
D. M. A. L. S. N. O.
And then I... Sure.
Going for a vowel. E.
No.
What's that? And then the rest will be of the...
4, 5, 4, 150. And your target, 170.
5.
Yep.
Obviously.
Yep,
Right.
170.
Oh, I suppose it...
I'd like to...
Oh, yeah.
The trick.
It's a ball of straw. So,
Pop a Z at the end, you've got another word for ghoulies.
And
What?
just
No?
next to the L. Yeah, that'll
Yeah,
be...
yeah.
Consonant, please.
We're going for lopsided. Still in there with a chance. Yeah, go for it. Yeah, pop it in.
Oh!
Oh, my God!
Per chance? Is it R?
Come on!
Ah, yeah! Shit! I feel it's going to be a W. Fucking hell.
Please.
It's going to be an E. Bollocks in tits!
Please.
It's a P. Tits and arse.
Finish. Whichever feels warmest.
No! Shit, arses!
So at the end of that, Johnny and Sarah have 75.